We're back over here on this job, hopefully trying to kind of get our little list of stuff knocked out for today. I'm gonna try to put a parking pad in and then spread another load of rock on this drive. I'm actually gonna try to cut the edge of the drive down and maybe fill a little bit of that in to try to catch some of the water and divert it over to that one. Right now it runs down here and then right into the garage. So I may try to get in front of that garage and cut and kind of open up the swell there to kind of catch some of that stuff coming down the hill. And then, like I said, kind of get this edge cut off, which it'll eventually get back on here because they make the same motion turning in and out of here every day. So it just kind of keeps working the rock that way. And then I'm going to kind of dress some of this up and then just, kind of the shape of where it'd be like an L or whatever. Probably just kind of square this corner off and then scratch a little bit of that out and then cover everything in base rock. So not too shabby. So we'll jump in the loader and see if we can clean this up. whole lot to try to scratch around and cut. There hasn't been a rock on that in a long time, plus those tree roots are almost exposed. So I'm just gonna thicken it up with some base. I'm probably gonna get, I'd say at least 2 loads ought to do. Really, I need to put a little bit at the end, but then I just got this little 1-lane deal right through here, and then probably a whole load. We'll take that up. We'll see. If I gotta get 3, we'll get 3. And I tried to cut a little bit of a ditch along this. I can't get that stump to move. I should have dug it out with the excavator, but I'm gonna try to build this side of the driveway up a little bit and try to pitch it over that way. I was gonna try to cut some more of this down, but then it almost gets higher down there where the asphalt starts, so I'm hoping that'll be kind of enough just to run it on down the edge and around that side. Like I said, I'll try to thicken it up over here, but you're still gonna have, I mean, this whole yard just drains this way. They've been getting water in that garage and in the basement, but I'm also just supposed to kind of, I don't know, I guess bandage it or whatever. Don't spend a ton of time just kind of dressing it up and seeing if we can get it moved away. That's why I just kind of got this cut and swelled out, because there's really no building it up or forcing it another direction. That water's going to go where it wants to go, and all that along there is going to hit and still run down here, no matter if I put a berm on the side of the driveway or what. But so the best thing I could do is just kind of notch out a swell and then daylight it out there. I don't know if he wants to put rock back on there. It had a little bit of base, and then the grass was kind of taking over on the rest of it. But with the height of the driveway and everything else, it's just, I don't know, the lay of the land's not real good for it. We'll go dump the truck and try out the new tarp, and then go get 2 loads of rock. this all finished up. Took right at 2 loads. Got one, or the majority of one, spread up there and around here, and then kind of got me a little ditch cut in on this side, hoping that'll kind of divert a lot of this water. I built that side up a little bit more, but there's just not much you can do when everything is sloping down that way. But I think it's much improved over what it was. And then he kind of decided for now we're not going to do anything down. He's not sure if he wants to rock it, or he's talking about maybe extending the asphalt down there, or possibly doing away with that door, just kind of blocking it in. It's like, no one uses it, just more for storage and stuff like that. So, but hopefully what runs down through here will hit right along there and kind of go out, or I kind of daylighted that out. But I don't know if there was more of a sidewalk here at one time or what, but he was finally leaving that now. I need to get, I can't really clean the asphalt off with the teeth, so we're just going to kind of leave it, and he's just going to sweep that off, he said. But I think it came out pretty nice. It's a lot smoother than what it was. And like I said, I think that ditch is going to help out. It's just kind of weird because like it shoots off over here, but then with this junk along the fence, it almost comes up. I think this will work for this evening. We'll get loaded up and see what we can get into tomorrow.